If you're looking for a shortwave radio, there's no doubt that you are going to want to select the best device possible. To help you, we've put together a list of the top 5 shortwave radios available. Links are provided in the description box. Come on, let's get started. Eden, a leading manufacturer of advanced communication products, is the first option on our list of the best shortwave radios. Marine VHF radios, two-way radios, handheld HAM radios, and mobile HAM radios are only a few of the devices they offer. In this shortwave radio, RF signals are converted directly into digital data using RF direct sampling. Field programmable gate arrays are used to process the data, simplifying circuit construction and minimizing noise that would normally overshadow weak signals. As a result, this shortwave radio will transmit crisply even at weak signals. With a 4.3-inch LCD color touchscreen and automatic tuner built in, this device not only transmits clear signals, but is also incredibly easy to use. SSB, CW, RTTY, AM, and FM modes are accessible with the 100-watt transmitter, a built-in automatic antenna tuner, a multifunction meter, and CW auto-tuning and reverse are also notable features. The next best shortwave radio on our list is the Crane CC Skywave SSB. It's lightweight and compact, so it's easy to transport, and it has a simple layout and plenty of features. Plus, it's very affordable, which is definitely a plus. The shortwave radio features 5 different bandwidths, including shortwave, medium wave, and air bands. Additionally, it receives great AM and FM reception. Thanks to the weather and airband, it can also be used as a weather radio, so you can get the latest forecast at any time. It displays readings clearly in all types of lighting and from all angles because it glows orange. You can set the default to frequency or time on the screen. A timer and alarm can also be set on the shortwave radio. Using earbuds or the built-in speaker, you can listen to transmissions. Rechargeable batteries, 2 AA batteries, or an AC adapter are available as power sources. At number 3 is Tecon PL380. With Tecon's PL380 portable digital PLL dual conversion shortwave radio with SSB, you can be sure that you are getting a quality product. Their PL660, one of their most popular radios, has been upgraded, despite being more expensive than its predecessor. The PL380 offers crystal clear reception and a much higher power rating. Tecon's PL380 can pick up frequencies on 4 different bands, including LW, SW, AM, and FM. In addition to picking up signals on all bands, the device offers super crisp transmission. 4 AM and 1 SSB options are included in the broadband filtering array. A sleep timer can be set up to 120 minutes on this shortwave radio, which also functions as an alarm clock. Backlit orange screen displays band names, frequencies, time, and remaining battery life. You can turn off the backlight to conserve battery life. It comes with a built-in charger as well as a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, offers decent battery life. There are fine and coarse tuning knobs, so tuning is simple and straightforward. With a push of a button, you can instantly access 3050 stations stored on this device. There's no problem connecting to your desired station with a telescopic antenna, since it can receive a tremendous amount of signals. At number 4 is Riteka S115 digital radio. This Riteka S115 portable AM/FM radio is a great option if you're looking for a basic shortwave radio with reliable transmission, an easy transportable design, and all the necessary features. In addition to being the least expensive on our list, it is also the smallest in size. However, despite its small size, it offers a great deal of functionality. You can slip this radio into a shirt pocket with ease. However, don't let its compact size fool you into thinking it offers inferior reception, because this could not be farther from the truth. The radio has quite impressive transmission capabilities and can pick up frequencies from a great distance. The radio can pick up AM and FM broadcasts, and you can connect your MP3 player via the AUX input to use it as an MP3 speaker. Featuring English, Spanish, and Chinese languages and an adjustable LCD backlit display, this unit is incredibly easy to use. At number 5 is Tecon PL380DSP. Another excellent Tecon shortwave radio is the PL380DSP, which features a small, lightweight design that's easy to carry, making it an excellent choice among the best shortwave radios. With 7 tuning modes to choose from and a handy LCD screen, this AM, FM, and SW radio will handle all your communication needs. Despite its small size, this intelligent device has a lot of features, such as 550 preset memories, a snooze function, a key lock feature, and a built-in charging system. For better reception, it has a USB jack, an earphone jack, and an extendable antenna. The Tecon PL380DSP features an easy tuning mode or EDM. Auto-tuning storage features are similar to those available on other devices. Turning a wheel allows you to quickly move between available stations.